Hey guys, we're at it again. Sunday, beautiful Sunday. Doesn't matter which day, we're out here doing deliveries. Today we're in Tredegar Park. Now this beautiful customer decided that she don't want to be on camera after we drive so far. After she gave me an idea that, hey, you know, I might do it if my ear fix up. I look on her right now and her ear fix, but she still don't want to do it. But not to worry, we're here to serve. So I say she not gonna come for her package them now. Where she run go? You're not coming for the package. Should I keep them? I shouldn't keep them, but you're not coming for them. So we'll take this opportunity to remind all you guys, whenever you sign up for an account with us, make sure you sign up for Platinum membership. What Platinum membership does, it gives you the opportunity to get a free shipping coupon for up to £5. So every 3 months, you get a free shipping coupon. Remember now, go on our website, sign up for an account, make sure you do Platinum membership, or else you don't get a package.